Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.38 Elevation Sheets. Elevation sheets are provided as an aid to users to locate the correct dimensions cells on the project dimensions sheet. To the extent possible, the macro buttons are arranged to imitate the structure of the fixture, component, or part for which the elevation sheet is named. Other features on an elevation sheet are made of macro buttons arranged as the features are positioned on the fixture or component. On any elevation, when a button is clicked, you are switched to the project dimension sheet. There is only one set of dimension cells for a feature. Regardless of which elevation, administrative, or cost workup sheet you are on, when you click a button that refers to a particular feature, component, or part, you are prompted to enter the dimensions in the only set of project dimensions sheet cells for that particular item. No entries are made on the elevation sheets. Most dimensions are entered on the project dimensions sheet. This example 1.1.38 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.39.